Alright folks, down here at the pond, I'm going to do a review of the, I guess you call it this Tokarev monster or monster or something like that, 12 gauge bullpup. And we'll start off with the factory 5-round mag with some cheap field loads. Let's see if they'll cycle these, will cycle anything. Let's make a try. Cycled all of them and they're cheap loads. Got 5 more here. Alright. Try this again. Cycling cheap loads. What takes some getting used to. Never used a bullpup. This is a 10-round aftermarket mag. We'll test to see how well it does. It's already got a malfunction, I believe. Alright. Got one chamber ready to rock and roll, maybe. That's pretty cool. Well, the monster works.